Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have one of these hydration packs, I got paper towels shoved in it because, like, I couldn't figure out how to clean these things. It was always a pain in trying to get it like totally dried out because I know if there's any water left in there, it's gonna get kind of like, bacteria might grow or just funkied out. You know what I mean. So anyway, I got this cleaning kit, especially for these hydration packs, which I love, by the way. These are like one of the best things going. But cleaning was like another option. So I got this kit, and this is everything that basically comes in it. So you got your case for that. You got a cleaning adjustable brush, which is cool because you'll be able to get into like every little nook and cranny in there. So if you did get some funk growing, you can clean out with that. These are some cleaning tablets that are especially made for this type of material. So you don't have to worry about using like some sort of soap that's never going to rinse out. So that's very super useful. This is to clean your straw. So when you take that apart, you can get in there in case you get any little like weird stuff growing in there. And I mean, that is more than long enough to cover your straw. And I like that it has a kind of like a holder, so you can fold that up and put that away in your pack out of the way. So very super useful. Then this is more for like cleaning like your nozzles out, really good to get in there. And then this was actually the primary reason why I got this. That was like 3D and stuff. So taking apart these zip ties. And this is basically to go inside and opens up so it gets every little nook and cranny in there to open up so it can dry. And then you basically kind of like, you work it open through the reservoir. And it takes a little, like I said, this is brand new, so it's not as, but you can see how that opens it up so everything can dry. And then basically you hang it somewhere, and any liquid that's left is going to eventually drip down here, and then it will evaporate out. So I thought that was like a fantastic idea on how to get your whole pack basically clean and sanitary. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe.